Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Honda Rebel 300. In the vast landscape of motorcycles, the Honda Rebel 300 emerges as a beacon for beginners, offering an entry point into the enticing world of cruiser riding. With its approachable design, manageable power, and user-friendly features, the Rebel 300 serves as an ideal introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. In this exploration, we delve into the characteristics that make the Honda Rebel 300 the best beginner cruiser motorcycle, providing riders with a perfect blend of style, accessibility, and ease of use as they embark on their journey into motorcycling. Timeless cruiser aesthetics with modern flair. The Honda Rebel 300 embraces timeless cruiser aesthetics while infusing a modern flair, creating a motorcycle that appeals to both tradition and contemporary style. The bike's design features a low-slung silhouette, minimalist bodywork, and a relaxed riding position characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The Rebel 300 pays homage to its cruiser heritage while incorporating modern elements, making it an appealing choice for riders who seek a stylish and iconic motorcycle to kickstart their riding journey. Honda's dedication to timeless cruiser aesthetics in the Rebel 300 reflects the brand's understanding of the importance of design in cruiser motorcycles, particularly for beginners entering the riding community. Approachable power for novice riders. One of the standout features of the Rebel 300 for beginners is its approachable power delivery. The bike is equipped with a 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between performance and accessibility. The engine's power is delivered smoothly, allowing novice riders to build confidence gradually without feeling overwhelmed. This manageable power delivery makes the Rebel 300 an ideal cruiser for those stepping into the world of motorcycling, providing a comfortable and controlled riding experience. Honda's focus on approachable power in the Rebel 300 aligns with the brand's commitment to creating motorcycles that cater to the needs of novice riders, ensuring a positive and confidence-building entry into cruiser riding. Compact and lightweight design for easy handling. The Rebel 300's compact and lightweight design makes it exceptionally easy for beginners to handle. Weighing in at a manageable level, the bike is agile and maneuverable, making it ideal for navigating through city streets and handling low-speed maneuvers. The lightweight design of the Rebel 300 adds an element of confidence for new riders, ensuring that they can easily adapt to the cruiser's dynamics without feeling intimidated. Honda's emphasis on a compact and lightweight design in the Rebel 300 showcases the brand's commitment to creating cruisers that are accessible and user-friendly, particularly for those just starting their riding journey. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed cruising. The Rebel 300 excels in delivering a comfortable and relaxed riding experience, characteristic of cruiser motorcycles. The bike features a low seat height, forward-set foot pegs, and wide handlebars, allowing riders to adopt a natural and ergonomic riding posture. The comfortable ergonomics of the Rebel 300 make it well-suited for leisurely rides, city cruising, and extended journeys, ensuring that beginners can explore the joys of cruiser riding without sacrificing comfort. Honda's attention to comfortable ergonomics in the Rebel 300 reflects the brand's commitment to providing riders with a cruiser that prioritizes both style and rider well-being. User-friendly features for entry-level riders. The Rebel 300 is equipped with a range of user-friendly features that cater to entry-level riders. From the smooth clutch engagement to the responsive throttle, every aspect of the bike is designed to make the learning curve more gradual and enjoyable. Additionally, the Rebel 300 may come with modern conveniences like an LCD instrument panel, providing essential information in a clear and easy-to-read format. These user-friendly features contribute to a positive and seamless introduction to cruiser riding for beginners. The inclusion of user-friendly features in the Rebel 300 underscores Honda's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that is not only stylish but also intuitive and accommodating. Versatile performance for varied riding scenarios. While tailored for beginners, the Rebel 300's performance is versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Whether cruising through city streets, exploring scenic backroads, or embarking on highway journeys, the Rebel 300 delivers a well-rounded performance. The bike's versatility allows beginners to grow into their riding skills, adapting to different environments and gradually expanding their horizons within the cruiser lifestyle. Honda's emphasis on versatile performance in the Rebel 300 reflects the brand's commitment to providing beginners with a cruiser that can accompany them on a diverse range of riding adventures. Cultural impact and community connection. The Honda Rebel 300 has made a significant